Hi guys, it's AJIAEGI. So for this video, I'm going to be trying out something new. They are a new brand called PINKFLASH, and they're the sister brand of Focallure, I think, along with stagenius or stagenius cosmetics. So yeah, they sent me a few of their lip creams and their lip glosses, and I'm going to be trying out, swatching, and reviewing them out in this video. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. One thing to note is that they don't come in boxes, and that personally does not surprise me. I mean, they're just a starting brand. Also, it's totally unnecessary. They package it well though, so I'm not really bothered by it not having boxes. It already lists the ingredients, suggested usage. I already took off their packaging, but I'm going to show you a clip right here to show you how they look like. Actually tried it out yet, but first impressions is that it's very good. Like right now it looks very matte, but it's not the kind of matte that, you know, makes the lips look shriveled and emphasizes the lip lines. As you can see right here, it did not really hide the lines, the wrinkles in my lips, but it did not accentuate it, so that's fine by me. I don't know what this smell is like, but it's sweet, pleasant, but you know, if you're someone who does not want fragrances in your lip products, I'm going to swatch the next color. Okay, so further comments. I really like this color. I really like it. They're good for gradient lips. They're good for bold lips like this. I mean, this could be my everyday color. I have a color similar to this, but it's not matte. It's not matte, but this is matte, and actually I don't know if they're transfer proof. They did leave stains, but it's from the inner part of my lips where it gets wet. So I think if I let it dry more, it won't transfer. But yeah, I really like it. Now I'm going to be reviewing their lip glosses. I'm done swatching all of the lip tints and lip glosses. I just applied N01 and 001 Rambo on my lips. So let's go to the overall thoughts and reviews. Let's talk about price. So it costs 198. I just checked right now on Shopee. It costs 198, and I know that's a steep price for the things that I usually review on my channel, but a lot of matte lipsticks on the market right now goes around for that same price, so I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Packaging, If you're someone who really cares about packaging, you might not like this because like I said, they only come in like a shrink wrapped plastic and all of the information is right there. Yeah, they don't really come in the box. If that's a turn off for you, take note of that, but for me honestly it isn't, so I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. It's not because it's in a bad packaging or like in a cheap packaging. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 because nowhere does it say what colors these are. So yeah, PINKFLASH, if you're listening, some stickers would be nice. Thank you. Performance. Okay, so I said that 198 is justified for the price, and that's because I don't know any matte lipstick or matte liquid lipstick in the market right now that gives this kind of formula in such a price point. And what I'm talking about is that it's not a matte lip cream that emphasizes the wrinkles on your lips. It actually fills it in quite nicely. I mean, you can still see mine, but they're usually very deep. Also, they're not sticky. And they're not kind of like the ordinary matte lipsticks that when they dry down, it almost feels like, you know, papery when you rub your lips together. I hate that. That's why I don't wear matte lipsticks. But I might start wearing these ones right now because they're really nice. Actually, the only matte lipsticks that I wear are in the bullet form, kind of like the Daiso Thailand lipstick. And that's because they don't dry out my lips. I don't like it when my lips get crusty or look crusty. I hate it a lot. So yeah, I think this formula is very nice, very innovative. I like it a lot. For the price, it's 338 right now on Shopee, but I think that's an error. I think it's because they just launched this product, that's why they're launching it at such a steep price point. But the last time I checked, I think like a week ago, I checked and it was around 150 to 140. So yeah, I don't know what's up with that. But for the price, if it's truly 338, I might have to give it a 6 out of 10. I don't think any lip gloss should be justified at that price point. Like, no sis, no. Next, packaging. I'll give it the same rating as the matte lip creams in terms of packaging because they're packaged the same. They also don't have any labels on it, so yeah, it gets quite confusing. But I do think that the one that they have is very good because it has a dip, which means you don't have to dip it in every now and then. In terms of performance, I really like it. This one is very pretty. Like, as you can see there, it has a lot of bubbles, but it has a slightly pinkish hue to it. So when you put on a nude lipstick and you apply this right here, it is going to give you a slightly more pink tone. For the colored lip glosses, they're very pigmented. I mean, I think that you guys saw how pigmented they were when I was swatching it, but I really like it. They're very pigmented, fills in the lip wrinkles, and they're actually very glossy. I think this is G01. And that is how it looks like. You can see that white stripe is my ring light, and it's very glossy. But when you turn it away from the light, you can see that it's actually very pigmented. Like, not very pigmented, but it's very pigmented for a gloss. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my honest thoughts and reviews of these products. I actually think they're very cute and affordable. It comes off more as a student brand to me. Also, I want to remind you guys again that if you are planning to buy these products and other focallure products, they will be having a sale. Focallure will be having a shop-wide sale on Shopee on October 23, which means today. So if you want to buy these and other focallure products on a much cheaper price point, then make sure to check out their shop right now. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. And if you want to see more content like this, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!